Hey everybody, today I'm testing out a brand new LED grow light for 2018, and this is the box that it comes in. Let me open it up here, and it's a 450 watt rotten banana. I'm kidding, I already took it out of the box. Let me go get it here. Here is everything that was in the box. We have the power cord, we have the hanger, a thank you card, and a user manual, and here is the light itself. We'll have a closer look at this. This is a 450 watt Mrhua full spectrum LED grow light, brand new for 2018, and they also come in 600 watt and 1000 watt. So this is a smaller one. It covers a 3 by 3 foot area, and let me zoom in here on the front. You can see these LEDs. They have 120 SMD LEDs, if you can see it in there. Let me see if I can get closer. Give you an idea what they look like. This grow light will last 50,000 hours, and it has ventilation all the way around it, as you can see, to keep it cool. And on the back here, let me flip it over, we have a fan to keep it cool, and we have an outlet here for daisy chaining to other grow lights or a timer, so you can just hook them all up in a row. And here we have the outlet where you plug in the power cord, and then we have the on and off switch. But let's have a closer look at what these look like when they're lit up, and then we'll take the reading of the wattage. I have it hooked up to the kilowatt here, and we're going to take a reading. Let me turn it on first and blind you. And as you can see, my camera does not like that, so I'm going to turn it. It has red, white, and blue LEDs. And I'll turn it and take a reading from the kilowatt. And we're at 153 watts, and on the Amazon ad they claim it uses 130, but this is a total of a 450 watt unit, so they dial it down to make it last longer. But as you can see, this is plenty bright. I'm getting ready to hang this, and I'm going to unplug it here. This power cord is 5 feet long. Here is the hanger, and the hanger is plastic coated, so it's not going to rust. And these simply just clip on to each corner. Let's see, there we go. There's these eyelets here, and these just simply hook onto it. I have the grow light all set up, and it's taking care of my poinsettia plants. I got these 2 plants at Aldi on Christmas Eve, and they were only 5 cents each. They were trying to get rid of them. They had a whole cart full. I thought, why not? Because the pots that they came in are worth 5 cents each themselves. So anyway, I'll show you here. I'll zoom out a bit. We have the grow light about 2 feet above the plants, and you can see I have it on a ratcheting grow light hanger. You're going to want to get one of those because it makes life so simple, and you can lower it and raise it as needed. And I'll zoom in here. You can see I have it daisy chained over here to another grow light. So that works out well. But anyway, I'm going to see how the heat is on this. You can see I have it to a timer too. Now as for heat, the fan is pulling in cool air, and it's blowing out the warm air. It's just slightly warm. Not bad at all. But as for sound or the noise, I'm going to turn off this other grow light that it's daisy chained to. You can hear it's not very loud. Here's another example of the sound. I'm about a foot away from it, and it's about as loud as a computer fan, maybe a little bit louder. It doesn't bother me at all. And here is a helicopter view of my plants, but my camera does not like it because it's so bright. So I'm going to turn off the light. And very happy with how these are doing. You can see there is new growth, and this one is actually getting a flower, which is pretty cool. Can't wait to see that. I don't know why people throw these away after Christmas, but yeah, I only paid 5 cents each for each plant, and like I said, the pots themselves are worth more than that. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and that's all. Take care, everybody.